Hello everyone and welcome back to STEAM Aspirations. Today we'll be solving problem number 4 of the 2014 AMC 8. So let's begin. We have that the sum of two prime numbers is equal to 85 and we want to find the product of those two prime numbers. Now at first this may seem like a tedious task because there's a lot of primes between 1 and 85. However, we can get a clue by looking at this parity of 85. 85 is an odd number. And how do we get an odd number from adding two other numbers? Let's look. We have that an odd number plus an odd number is going to be even. For example, 1 plus 1 equals 2. We have an even number plus an even number is equal to an even. For example, 2 plus 2 equals 4, which means that the only way to get an odd number from addition is when you add an odd and an even number. And this is basically the same as 1 plus 2 equals 3. And now that we know we need to find the sum, two numbers that sum to an odd number, we can use this last addition property to know that one of the primes must be odd and one of the other one must be even. However, we also know that the only even prime is just 2. And that helps us narrow the sum down a lot, because that means that we know that the other prime is going to be 85 minus 2 equals 83, because their sum is equal to 85, and we can just double check that 83 is prime by looking at all of the prime numbers less than the square root of 83. Square root of 83 is approximately equal to around 9. It's slightly greater than 9. Which means that we can check all the primes less than 9. We have 2. 2 does not divide 83 because 83 is not even. We have 3. 3 does not divide 83 because the sum of 83's digits is 8 plus 3 equals 11, which is not divisible by 3. We have 5. 83 is not divisible by 5 because it ends in a 3, which is not equal to 5 or 0. Finally, we have 7, which we can just check by noting that 7 times 12 is equal to 84, and 7 times 11 is equal to 77, which means that the multiples of 7 essentially just skip over 83, which means that 7 does not divide it. Which means that 83 is indeed prime, and we can just find out the product of these two prime numbers, which is going to be 83 times 2 equals 166, choice E, and we are done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. And as always, see you next time!